This will be fun. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! We're gonna go in through the back of the garage. So I'm not. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. Oh. I think I can get in though. I think I can get in there though, baby. That's what happens when you don't put the bucket away. I should have put all that feed in here because now they're going to have. That's our setup. Here, Tom's out there. Tom's right there. He must have got in. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. Tom, what are you doing, buddy? You want some food? Come on, come over here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Told my daughter I'd feed the goats today. We put this back here so when it was like this. Hi! Are you hungry? You hungry? Hungry, guys? Hi, baby. You want a snack? Here's your snack. Here's a pepper, baby. Here, let's go over here. Come on, Tom. Aw. Tom, come back.
Something the spur shot so he can go up.
Yeah.
That's how we got those on.
I'm going to just, like, baseball pitch some of this corn. Might give him some. I might flip some scratch over there. This is molasses stuff. Tom, are you hungry? Why didn't you just come back over here, buddy? Oh, you can hear the trees cracking. Where's the guineas? Oh, I hear one. Nope, that's Tom. There you go, buddy. Nice. Do I have a clear shot into the coop? I'm just going to take this bag because we didn't get. Oop. I know they need to be in there. Ta-da! Come on, Lola. Okay. The phone is not being cooperative. Forgot the water too. Oh, you're so. My husband's so brilliant. Oh, that was big.
Huh?
Did you hear that one?
What?
Tree limb falling over.
Where?
Over at the McFredericks. Can I come in now?
Yeah.
Here, let me go by. Oh, holy cow. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna need that water, baby. It's frozen solid. Chickies, you awake? Should have brought the hammer. Let's see if That did it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh. No, just the noises are making me nervous. I'm alright. I just brought what was left in this bag. Come on, buddies. Come on. It's okay. Come on. There's food out here. Come on. You're okay. You want to come out?
Hey, girls.
Come on. Whistler. Come on. They don't want to come out, baby. Even a little bit will help it. Come on, it's okay.
Hey, girls.
Hi. Come on. Come on. Nobody's coming out. Okay, well, that's all I can do, guys. They don't want to come out. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come out. Yeah, no way. Not letting them out today. Come on. Come on, let's go. I'm frozen. Come on. Come on, Whistler, come out. There's food out here. You guys come out. They're like, up yours, Mom. Who's out there? Foo's the only one out there, baby. Foo. There's a limb across his truck over there. The one that's parked. That's a little low for my comfort level. I got one down on the fence. And I'm getting away from this. Do you like it? Did she do her thing? Yeah. Whew, Lola, your feet gotta be cold, baby. You're walking pretty good. Perfect. Oh gosh, look at all that stuff down over there. It's just coming down. That one's gonna go too. I don't know if you can see that one. That tree, that one's all down. I got stuff down everywhere. Yikes. Guess it could be worse. It could be on the house. Shh, don't say it loud. Yeah. Oh, we don't need wind. Wind is not a good thing. So my daughter just called, said my son-in-law heard something come down off this big tree out here in the coop. So we're gonna go make sure nothing's messed up. A lot more snow. I'm not going under there though. Oh. Freaking trees. It's okay, babe. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's this one. And there's the fence is damaged right there. Right here on the middle one, middle part. The snow's making it heavier. I have a feeling this is going to be some cleanup, babe. I mean, look how far this is coming down right here. This one.
Yeah, it's gonna come.
Yeah. You think we're going to lose a lot of these big ones off this?
It would be fine as long as they don't hit the coop in the house and destroy the fence.
Yeah. No house, no coop. It's not hitting the coop. Dang it. Guess it could be worse. It's like, okay, let's walk backwards just a little